Hey girls, I just had to share my 2 cents on these nail polish strips. You've seen them everywhere. Have you wondered if they work? Well, they do. I got these as a stocking stuffer from a girlfriend, and they've just been sitting in my bathroom, and I didn't have time to do my nails today, so I threw them on, and I love them. They're brilliant. These are actually the ones that are like the old school Lee press-on nails, and they're really sturdy. No wonder Lee press-on nails were so popular back in the day. When you don't have time to do your nails and you've got to run out and your hands need to look good, these are perfect. So try them. I swear you're going to love them. These are fun. They're like a leopard print.